In this video, again, let us continue to solve problems based on sector of a circle or sector in a circle or whatever that is. And we've got a problem here which reads like this. Pretty practical stuff, this. It's about the wipers in a car. So a car has two wipers which do not overlap. Okay, yeah, usually they do, but in this case it doesn't overlap. Now each wiper has a blade length of 25 centimeters sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So it's pretty simple, even though it's kind of in the form of a practical problem. It's pretty obvious that this 25 centimeter of the blade length, that is the radius of that, and the angle 115 degrees is the angle of the sector that it forms while sweeping it. So we've got theta and r, so we just have to find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Another very straightforward and simple problem, this. So the area of the sector is given by pi r squared theta over 360 degrees. But in this case, we've got two wipers, all right? Two wipers, the same data. So it should be 2 times the area of this, right? So it's going to be, so the area cleaned at each sweep of the blades is, let me write here, the area cleaned at each sweep of the blades equals 2 times pi r squared theta by 360 degrees, which is, here 2 goes 180 times here. So we've got 22 by 7 multiplied by r squared. R is 25, so 25 times 25 times theta is 115 over 180. This 180 here, right? So yeah, we've got this. So on solving, we get 1,254.96 centimeters square, right? So this is the area that is cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So the area that is cleaned is 1,254.96 centimeters square. So this is a very easy fundamental problem, right? Just that it is given in the form of a car having two wipers and all. So that's all this is. So let's quickly solve another problem before we end this video. Here we've got another ship-based question. All right. To warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse throws a red-colored light over a sector of 80-degree angle to a distance of 16.5 kilometers. So the question is pretty obvious, right? We don't even have to read the other part of the question. Well, find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. So we need to use pi is 3.14. So we've got the theta here and we've got the radius here, that is 16.5 kilometers. So we just have to find the area again. So the theta is given as 80 degrees and the r is 16.5 kilometers. Remember that, right? So the area of the sea over which the ships are warned equals theta by 360 degrees multiplied by pi r squared, which is theta is 80 degrees over 360 multiplied by pi, which is to be taken as 3.14 multiplied by the radius square, so 16.5 times 16.5. Solving this, you get 189.97 kilometers square. Remember, it's in kilometers because it is 16.5 kilometers. So the area of the sea over which the ships were warned is 118.97 kilometers square, which is pretty huge. Well, so this completes this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more other concepts related to circles.